Hi, I'm Kenny, and today I'm installing the Perrin oil cooler on my 2014 BRZ. I'm not going to show you the whole install because there are plenty of other videos out there that do a better job of that, but I do want to talk about some of the problems that I've been having along the way. And I'm not just talking about the things that are the fault of me and my car. For example, this car has been around the block a few times. It's had mods put on and taken off, and now I'm putting them on again. And I can't get the fascia off anymore because this bolt will not come loose. And if you twist it, it just twists the plastic and rips it some more. So I've had to work like this the whole time. But that's not Perrin's fault. What is Perrin's fault, maybe, is that these washers were too big. And when I used them, the bolts would not come up far enough to even get into the hole on this mounting plate. I had to find smaller washers that fit up underneath there in order for the bolts to actually come through and work. Here you can see the smaller bolt I found that actually allows the bolts to sit inside that opening. And here you can see how this bolt is too big and will not sit inside there at all, which keeps the bolt way too far out. Here's the other problem. I need to torque down this piece here to 25 foot-pounds of torque using a 27 millimeter deep socket. The trouble is, there is no clearance around this thing whatsoever. So no matter what socket I use, it just can't get on there tight. Certainly not tight enough to turn it. And these are the ones that I went out and bought after the one that I already owned didn't fit. I don't even care if I can get the torque specs right anymore. How do I even turn this thing? If you've got any tips, hopefully I'll have solved them by the time you see this. Oh, hey, it's been a while. You know, I never told you what happened with the whole Perrin oil cooler install. I actually did get in touch with Perrin and talk to them about the issues I was having. So as far as torquing down the threaded adapter, what they told me was that they know it's very hard to find a socket with the wall thin enough to grip the adapter, and that's it. They have an in-house tool that works for the purpose, and it's old and hard to get, and they've considered offering a tool to do it, but currently they don't, so it's just however you can make it work. What I ended up doing was using an adjustable wrench to tighten it as much as I could, and they said that was fine, and it's been working okay ever since. As far as the fender washers are concerned, they had no idea why it wouldn't fit and said they hadn't heard of that before. They thought maybe someone had put the wrong washers in the box at the factory and offered to send me a new set of washers. So they did. Here's the washer that came with the original set, and here are the new washers they sent me. So basically the same. Again, it turned out that finding the smaller washers and doing whatever I could to just make it work however I could was the right thing to do. The oil cooler has been working fine since then, so I guess everything's okay. If you've encountered any similar problems while installing yours, I hope this makes you feel better that you did it right even if you did it wrong.